to Cyber Espresso Podcast, your quick chat of cybersecurity insights with industry leaders. I welcome today's guest, Gregsie Leighton, CTO of ApexaIQ. Gregsie, nice to see you in our podcast.
Hi, nice to see you also, Murat. Thank you for the invite.
Absolutely. Good morning to you. So, Gregsie, I will kick off the conversation asking you that question. Many businesses, they don't see the blind spots until they are exposed. So, based on your experience, what practical steps can leaders take to build a security posture that reveals those weaknesses before attackers do?
Well, I think the key element of any cybersecurity defense or hygiene defense is really continuous monitoring. So from my perspective, know what the machines are, know that they're authorized, know that their hygiene as well, meaning not end of life, ensuring that their configurations are correct or authorized, and then absolutely their continuous state, right? Vulnerability, posture, exposure. So, these blind spots are the things that impact business operations.
Okay. So I want to talk about shadow IT. It's one of the risk surface for many organizations. What makes it so dangerous? How can leaders reclaim visibility?
Well, shadow IT, difficult problem to solve for any organization. The reason being is once we got into this domain of software as a service and cloud, outside the perimeter of any organization, the context shifted to the art of the possible by your team members, organizational members, either acquiring systems that are not authorized by the organization's authorization, let's call it authorization team or committee, depends on the size of the organization. So for me, shadow IT is only solved with, again, monitoring systems that detect and inform that a piece of system, asset, cloud, SaaS is approved or not. And most organizations, shadow IT's definition is unauthorized systems.
Okay. So all that effort needs to be continuous. That's the keyword you use, continuous monitoring. And I will take it to continuous asset assurance, or in other words,
Absolutely.
more data-driven, more automated decision.
Absolutely.
So we see that it becomes a new baseline. So you see many companies adapting, or still they're in a different mode, in a traditional monitoring.
Well, the era of scale, they have to adopt. It's not optional. It's table stakes. You must have a continuous asset assurance platform. It's the only way. We're in the machine era now.
Yes.
At scale.
Yeah, it has to be part of the process. So, Greg, I know you carry different hats. So you're part of the product engineering group as well. Of course, you lead the technical vision of the company. But if you think as the product developer, the engineer, the architect, so when it comes to the AI, what is your view? Like, where do you draw the line between?
We're in Mech Warrior territories now. The games of machine to machine, right? Yeah. Scale. Human operators are being replaced with AI operators. How do we control AI? Once in a while, you must have a human in the middle to actually stop hallucination of AIs, control the automation of AIs. AIs are developing code, they're operating systems. We must have humans in the middle for certain critical functional operations that may impact system performance, etc. Introduce risk.
Yeah. So it's kind of a double edge. In one angle, we are trying to remove the human oversight to make the orchestration more complete. And what you are suggesting now, we need to introduce back a human side.
For 1%. I think, don't make perfection or automation the enemy of systems availability, right? Meaning 100% of automation has its risks. So my take is, call it 2% of operations that are highly impacting, like, I am about to restart a business critical production application system. That should go through some arbiter of some approval system, even if it's an approver AI, right? So again, but my take, where we are in the era of AI and automation at scale, there should be human operators for some specific tasks.
Perfect. Very good. So, Gregsie, I appreciate your time sharing your insights with us. So,
Yes.
I look forward to talking to you on other occasions.
Likewise, Murat, thank you for the opportunity, and it's been great speaking with you.
Take care. Thanks, Gregsie.
Thank you.